Hi grade 11s, today we are doing partnerships, specifically current accounts for PL traders with Pule and Liho acting as partners. Their end of the year is 30 June 2019. So let's read further down to check what happened. Pule had a capital of 450,000, Liho had 150,000. Current account for Pule on the credit side, meaning it was favorable, amounted to 25,600. For Liho, unfavorable because it was on the debit side, it was a minus 83,400. Throw-ins for Pule amounted to 65,350, Liho's 95,600. Let's read further down to check exactly what happened during the year. There were changes to capital. For Pule, he increased his capital by donating equipment valued at 100,000 on 1 December 2018. They say this was properly recorded. So it means in the balance we have here, 450,000, there is 100,000. So this changes our opening balance. Why is this important? It's important because we need to calculate interest on capital. They say Liho decreased his capital by withdrawing 50,000 from the business on 1 April. And they also say this was properly recorded. Let's check the interest rate on capital. See, there they talk about this interest rate. It's 12%. So how do we work our interest? We'll say for Pule, because Liho's everything is covered, we focus mainly on Pule for now. We'll say how many months did he have 354? He had it from July, August, September, October, November. Why not December? Because things happened on the 1st. So he did not have 350 for 6 months, but for only 5 months. So in calculating our interest there, we will say 350,000 multiplied by 5 months over over 12 multiplied by 12 over 100, it gives us 17,500. And for the last 7 months, we will say 450,000 multiplied by 7 over 12 multiplied by 12 over 100, it gives us 31,500. When you add the two together, they give you 49,000. So our answer book there, we will record 49,000. B talks about throws. They say Pule withdrew an additional 14,650 on 27 June 2019. This was not recorded. So it means in the balance we have here, 65,350, 14,650 is not included. So we need to add it. So let's go to our answer book. We'll open bracket, record 65,350 plus 14,650 close bracket, right there 80,000 in brackets because throw-ins decrease your equity in the business. Right. We are also told that a salary of 3,500 per month more than Liho is what Pule is entitled to. So it means Liho earns 3,500 less. So in this case, let's go to our answer book to check how much did Liho earn. He earned 96,000 rands. So it means this is for the whole year. Let's check how much is the salary of Pule. We'll simply say 96,000 divided by 12 it gives us 8,000. We also add that 3,500, it gives us 11,500. You times that 11,500 by 12, it gives you 138,000. Alternatively, you can say 3,500 multiplied by 12, it gives you 42,000. You add 96,000 to that 42,000, it gives you the same answer, 138,000. All right. Moving on to the other transaction, they say he's also entitled to an annual bonus equal to 50% of his annual salary. How much did he earn for the whole year? He earned 138,000. So we'll calculate our interest there. Sorry, our bonus. We'll say 138,000 multiplied by 50 over 100. It gives us 69,000. Here is our 69,000. Because it's a half, you can also divide by 2. You can say 138 divided by 2, it will give you 69,000. Okay, let's calculate our primary distribution. How do we get it? We add salaries, interest on capital, and a bonus. In adding them together, 69,000 plus 49,000 plus 138,000, it gives you 256,000. That's your primary distribution. And we know we have to calculate final distribution. And how do we get it? We have to use the ratio given. Let's check how much is the ratio, or how is final distribution shared. What's the ratio given there? They say the remaining profit must be shared in the ratio 2:1 between Pule and Lehlo. It means here, to know who gets 2 and who gets 1, the first name that appears is the first name you allocate the first number to. And the last name you allocate the last number to. So Pule will get 2 while Lehlo will get 1. The 2 you add together, they give you 3. So let's go to our answer book. Lehlo had a final distribution of 10,500. But we are not told anything about Pule. So in getting the final distribution for Pule, we will have to use that ratio. In doing so, we will be able to get our final distribution for Pule. So how much did Lehlo earn? He earned 10,500. And what is that equal to? It equals to 1. So we want 2. The first step may be 10,500 multiplied by 2, because we want 2, divided by 1. It gives us 21,000. The other method may be 10,500. You want the whole figure over which this 10,500 was calculated, multiplied by 3. 3 is 2 plus 1. It gives you 31,500. Then you start from Pule. You'll say, now that you know this is the remaining profit, you'll say 31,500 multiplied by 2 over 3. It will give you 21,000.